What's going on, Reshoevn8r Nation? Jonny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. Today I will be cleaning these Nite Joggers by Adidas with Reshoevn8r's Ultimate Sneaker Laundry Kit. If you're a true sneakerhead like myself, like Victor, Keegan, and Jake back there, this is definitely the kit you want to get. It comes with a whole bunch of products, and honestly guys, it's the best kit. So check out the description below, get the promo code, and make sure you check out Reshoevn8r.com. But let's not waste any more time, let's get bubbly. All right guys, for this video, I am only gonna be cleaning the left side, so I'm gonna put the right one on the floor. In the first step, I'm gonna remove the laces. All right guys, you always wanna remove the laces so that way you get a deeper clean behind them, like this dingy tongue right here. You wanna make sure that you're able to access the entire tongue. All right guys, now that the laces are removed, the next step is to grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. I'm gonna flip this shoe like this to show you guys a better way to insert it. So all you have to do is click these together, adjust it to the size of your shoe. You wanna make sure that the shoe tree is like this. Do not try to insert the shoe tree this way. Fold it down, put it in, and then click it, boom. As you can see, it helps shape the toe box, and it's also gonna allow us to apply more pressure to get a real deep clean. Next step guys, since this is the ultimate kit, it comes with the big boy 16-ounce bottle of solution. So all I'm gonna do is open that up like that, just a few little squirts into our bowl of water, and then I'm gonna clean the entire uppers using the soft bristle brush. All right guys, the uppers are looking pretty good. The next step is to hit up this midsole with the medium bristle brush, and then I'm gonna go ahead and attack this outsole with the stiff brush. So let's go ahead and do that next. I think the outsole is all done, guys. Check that out. It's looking real nice and clean. So I'm gonna put that to the side. The next step is to grab our laces here. What I'm gonna do is just dip them into our bowl of solution and water mixture. Now that the laces are all nice and soaked up, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just throw them into the shoe like that. Grab our sneaker laundry bag here, put the shoe in it. You always want to make sure you lock it down. Boom. And on the side as well. Boom. And for a tighter fit, you can always just wrap around the shoe and tie a knot. Now that these are all safe and secure inside the sneaker laundry bag, let's go ahead and put them in the wash. All right guys, we're in the washroom, so let's go ahead and put the shoes in the wash. We're gonna make sure we use 1 ounce of our detergent, cold water, normal cycle, and let's leave it in there for about an hour. Let's go ahead and do that now. All right guys, we are back. Went ahead and let these dry overnight, and as you can see, the laundry system did its thing. One thing I do want to touch on, guys, is this tongue isn't actually dingy. It's more of like that off-white color, as you can see from here. But overall, I'm really impressed with the results we got. This shoe is looking like crap. This one is not. But one thing left to do, guys, is to reset the suede here. It's real crunchy and it's not smooth like the texture right here. As you can see, it's not going back and forth. So what I'm gonna do is take a dry medium bristle brush and then just hit it in multiple directions, and that'll allow me to reset the nap, get that nice texture back that allow me to get that nice smooth color. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Once again, I achieved these amazing results using Reshoevn8r's Ultimate Sneaker Laundry Kit that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. Make sure you check out the description below to save some bucks because there's a little promo code for you guys. Once again, I'm Jonny Bubbles, and I'll catch you guys next time.